Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Shopify to Xero automation. We will use existing workflows and create scenario in make.com. And you're going to see accurate order syncing from Shopify to Xero, automated invoice and payment processing, how you're going to handle refunds, fees and adjustment, and also a great report directly from Shopify to Xero integration. So to achieve this, the first thing is actually you need a Xero account. So you can just log in and sign up for Xero account here. Once you signed up, so you got an access to this account. And second thing is actually you need a Shopify account. So Shopify is a place where you can sell products and you can completely start selling new products or new physical or any products that you want to sell. So I already said, as I said to you, I already created a scenario. So in this scenario, you can see that actually this module is Shopify module, and I have two Xero module. So one is actually watching the orders. So when people order through my shop, if any order happens, automatically it will be. So what I'm created is this module is watching all the orders. So if any order comes in, so it will create an invoice in Xero, and later on you can also check out all the reports, and I have an idea of complete report of due dates and dates. According to dates or according to the dates that you're giving in, you can get the result. So this is a workflow I'm going to do. The first thing is actually syncing Shopify orders to Xero invoice. So what we're going to achieve here is actually automatically create invoice in Xero for every Shopify order. As I said to you, I'm giving you this process because you can also try this and then have an idea. And if you have any question, and if you have any troubleshooting, please write down or comment below, and I will make another video explaining you or we can talk together and find out your troubleshooting, and I will help you on this. So first thing is actually trigger. So Shopify is watching watch order module. So this is what I showed you here. So for this you need to create the connection. So once you have the connection, so make sure that this informations are filled up and click on save. On second thing is actually you're creating an invoice in Xero. So it's going to map customer details, add product line items, apply tax and discounts. So here you can see that in Xero. So as I said to you, you also need to do a connection in Xero, and then you can match all the information. So your customer ID, order ID, number and weight and total tax, and all this information, unnecessary information that you needed to capture in the invoice. Once you have done this, click on save. So this is how you are done with the second point. And third thing is attach payment status. So you can do a filtration. For example, if paid, mark as paid, or pending, marked as awaiting payment. So this can be done if it is needed. You can do this. Otherwise, you can just create an invoice. Second process. So refunds and Shopify fees in Xero. So for example, if you want to ensure refunds and Shopify transaction fees are correctly recorded, you can also create a new Shopify watch refund events. So what happens is this is same like this. So here actually I'm watching orders actually. So you can create a new module here in Shopify, and then click on completely you can watch refund orders. So in the refund orders, you can watch everything, what's happening, what refund made, or so here you can get a refund, search for refunds. So this is just an example I just want to show you. But what I'm trying to achieve here is actually you can also create process refunds and Shopify fees in Xero. So actions, find original Xero invoice, and apply refund in Xero, and deduct Shopify fees. So third point is actually auto reconcile payment in Xero. So automatically match Shopify payments with Xero bank transaction, and trigger is Shopify watch payment module. And what this action is going to do is actually fetch payment details, payment methods, amount, transaction fees, match payment to invoice. And I'm going to do a filter. If invoices exist, apply for payment. If invoice is missing, create invoice and apply payment. So as I said to you, these are all extra module that you can try it out and see how this is working. So as I said to you, this is going to be a 30 days build. So I'm going to do every day one build. So why am I giving you this flow is because I want you to try this, and I want you to write down in comment below what you guys tried and what didn't work for you, what worked for you, so that we can help each other and build and automate your business online. So as I said to you, the fourth one is sales and profit report. Here you can completely generate daily, weekly reports of sales. So so schedule is going to be, action is going to fetch all new sales from Shopify, fetch transaction fees and refunds. So this is what I did here. So I'm going to, and this is completely, so I just made an example of from which date to due date. So from date, what happens is from this date to this due date, it will list out all the reports in the what orders have been successfully made, what refunds have been made, and this is a simple example. But if you would like to have more clarity, if you want to know an example, please write down and comment below. I would like to make another video explaining you step by step of how you can integrate Shopify and Xero automation. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another video.